Hi, I'm Anna, and today we start our journey in Australia, in a north coast town called Coffs Harbour, halfway between Sydney and Brisbane. We are heading from the town west along the Corambi Road to the Bindarri National Park. There is a link to a detailed directional Google map I've created in the description below, and while you're there, give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our films on great walking tracks in Australia. So we start our filming from Mount Brown Road, 6 kilometres up the mountain, heading west along Corambi Road. This is an easy drive through the beautiful hinterland of Western Coffs Harbour. Just past the Corangi Cemetery, opposite the Corangi store, turn left onto Arara Road. This takes you past the Corangi Dam, which is also worth a look. Travel for around 6 kilometres to Dairyville Road, down this and meander through the narrow sweeping curves and one-way bridges for around 8 kilometres. There is a small causeway you'll have to cross, but if it hasn't rained much, any car should easily be able to cross it. And then you arrive at the start of the Bindarri National Park. We are heading up to Bangalore Falls picnic area, which is 5.8 kilometres along the road. Registered vehicles means your car is registered for New South Wales roads and you have the correct driver's licence. Today we're going to be taking the right fork and heading up Pine Road. This is definitely four-wheel drive only access. If you don't have a four-wheel drive, do not go up this road. And this is definitely for dry weather, as the road, although well maintained, is clay and can get very slippery when wet. This road is part of the Arara Escarpment four-wheel drive touring route, which is an 80-kilometre round trip from Coffs Harbour. And it takes you through remote eucalyptus forests and beautiful subtropical rainforests. With plenty of spots along the way to stop, it makes it an ideal family trip. Today we're going to Pine Road, to Bangalore Falls. The climb is over 600 metres in just 6 kilometres, which makes it very steep to climb. I'm a fairly inexperienced four-wheel driver, giving myself maybe a generous rating of 5 out of 10. But the road is so well maintained, with lots of rollovers, which help keep stormwater damage from the roads and also assist as a grade break from the steep ascent. The only tricky bit is when you have to pass a car from the other direction. Fortunately, we only passed one car and it was in a good spot. Drive slowly, be respectful, patient and helpful to other drivers along the way. Once you reach the top of the escarpment, continue right to Bangalore Falls. Follow the signs that are clearly marked, then take the left fork onto Range Road to head towards the beautiful Bangalore Falls for about 2 k's. Take the left fork to Bangalore Falls, the right goes to Urrumbum Falls. We'll go there in our next video. Please click onto our next video, which takes you down the beautiful walking track to the gorgeous Bangalore Falls. We look forward to seeing you then.